Happy new month to all our subscribers, and for those that are just joining, happy new month. Hamburger buns. To my mixing, I'm going to be adding milk, water, sugar, my yeast, and I'm going to whisk this up just to combine. Next, I'll be adding eggs, salt, and oil, and I'll mix this up. You can also use a mixer to make this recipe. This is the softest burger buns you have ever tasted. Now I'll be adding flour little by little till it forms a sticky dough. If you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, it's free, and remember to leave me a comment about what you want me to share next. Next, I'll transfer this dough to my work surface and grease it with a teaspoon of oil. And I'm going to knead for 10 minutes. If you are using your mixer or stand mixer, you knead for 7 minutes using the dough attachment. Now, if you watched my dinner rolls video or filled donuts or ring donut videos, you'll have seen how I knead with hand, slamming the dough against my work surface. That's the same thing I'm going to be doing here. You slam the dough till you get a non-sticky and a very stretchy dough. This is ready. I'll grease my mixing bowl, place my dough in it, flatten my dough, and then I'm going to cover and allow my dough proof for 15 minutes. Please check the description box below for a link to the written recipe. Once proven, I'm going to punch the dough a little to release the air that was accumulated in the dough while it was proven. Transfer it to my work surface, stretch it out with my hand to form a rectangular shape, and I'm going to fold in this manner. Now I'm going to cut this dough into 6 equal parts. If you want a smaller burger buns, you cut into 8 or 10 equal parts, or you weigh it to be 127 grams each. Now I'm going to fold each dough into a tight ball, just like this. This part is very important. You have to look at how I made the folding and fold just like that. It's also very simple. Next, I placed on a parchment paper. I'm just repeating the folding again. I'll place it on my oven tray, which has already been lined with my parchment paper. I'm also going to cover this and allow it to proof for another 40 minutes. Before that, I'll first flatten the dough with my hand before proving for 40 minutes. So I'm just repeating the folding procedure. Flattening the dough before proving. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Next, I'll make the milk glaze by adding milk and sugar into a bowl and stirring that to combine, and I'll set this aside. My buns has proven. I'm going to slightly brush it with the milk glaze, and then I'm going to sprinkle my sesame seed on it. This is optional. If you're allergic to it, just feel free to omit it. Your buns is still going to come out nice. At the end of this is baking and this is ready. At the end of my baking, I'm just going to brush this immediately with melted butter. You could use oil. And these buns are ready. They are very soft and you could store them for later before using it for burger. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next week.